All right, welcome guys to today's project. We'll be building animation of traffic light. I don't know if any one of you have actually crossed a road, or maybe you have seen a traffic light that looks like this, and today we'll build an animation of it. So this is how it looks like. So when you click on the green flag, see the red sign comes up, the yellow sign comes, green light, the red, and it keeps repeating. You can actually set the timing. I'll show you how to do that. So this is what you are going to build today, so that you know how to cross the road safely. So this is the project you are going to build on ScratchJr. If the traffic light doesn't work, what does it mean? That there's going to be a traffic jam and cars will hit each other and there will be a lot of accidents. Let's dive right away as we build. We will be starting building our own Scratch. Click on your home. So we'll start, click on the new Scratch. From here, we'll click here to delete this. Then draw our traffic light. We want it to be big. Select your line, pick your black triangle. Then make sure you draw a big traffic light. Then we'll now draw the triangle. You can take it down. We have our triangle here. Paint bucket, paint it. We have our traffic light stand. Click on this. So we have this already. We'll now draw our yellow line. Come paint. Select the red light. Select your circle and you draw your shape of your circle. Pick your paint bucket, paint it red, and you save. Over here we have our red light. We are going to draw the yellow light. Click on paint, select yellow light, yellow paint. Come to your circle, pick the circle, draw your circle, get your paint bucket, paint it yellow. Click on save. You have our yellow light. Then it's time for us to draw a green light. Click on green. Click here, select our green light or green paint. Click on circle, draw the shape of our, get your paint bucket, paint it. Here we now have our green light. So we have the red, yellow, and the green. So now is not the time for us to use our code block to code it. So if you look over now, if you click on the green part, nothing happens. We just have the lights here. So we are going to write the code for it that will make it start blinking like the traffic light. So first off, we need to click on the pole of the traffic light we have. Then we need to click on event block, the start block, pick the green flag and drag over here. Then we go here, pick this our envelope, pick it up, which is our send message. Click here, then click this drop down, select this first one. So we are sending a message that when the green flag is clicked, start with something. So we'll send a message which is this one. Then we are done with this light. We'll click on the orange circle, which is the orange light. Then we are going to see when the green flag is clicked, we don't want this all the lights to show. So what do? On the orange, we'll come to person and click hide. So when the green flag is clicked, all the lights should go off. Then it should come up one at a time. Then we'll go to our event and pick this envelope and keep here. So what do we want? We want to receive a message from this first one. So when we receive a message from this light telling us, okay, when the green flag is clicked, it will send us a message. We'll pick it here. Then what do we want to do? We want our red light, because it's off here anytime the green flag is clicked. So we want to show the red light. Then when we show it, we want it to show for 3 seconds. We'll come over here, click here, set the time to 3. Then we want it to hide again, which is turn off. Then when it's done, we'll come over to envelope and send a message that the red light is off, which is we'll click here and select red. So we are sending a message that the red light is off. It came up for 3 seconds and went on, goes off. Now this is the code we are going to write for the orange circle. Then we'll click the yellow circle, which is our yellow light. We are going to also want it that when we click the green flag, what should happen? It should hide. We don't want to see it when the green flag is clicked. Then what are we going to do again? We are going to add our envelope when we receive what? The red light. So when the red light goes off, it tells the yellow light to come up. So we'll now click on show the yellow light, and it should stay for 3 seconds. Then what should it do again? It should now hide. And when it has hide, we now have to send another message to the green light telling it that it should now, the yellow light is off. So that's what we just did here. We sent a message that yellow light is off. We will now write for our green light. So green light, when the green flag is clicked, we don't want to see you. turn it off. Then when we receive what? The yellow light, what should we do? Show yourself, then turn on for 3 seconds, then hide yourself and send a message that the green light is off. So we are done. We have, let's go through the code again. Our code blocks. So the red light and the traffic light, we just want it to, when the green light is clicked, send a message that it is clicked. Then this actually hides all the lights. Now when it receives the signal or the message that comes from this light, that is the green flag is clicked, it should show and stay for 3 seconds, then goes off and sends a message that is off. Then the yellow light is actually off when the green flag is clicked. Then you receive a message from the red light, it shows itself, stays for 3 seconds, goes off and sends a message to the green light. When the green light is actually receives the message, comes up, stays for 3 seconds, goes off again and sends a message to that is actually off. Now when we click our full screen to test our code, so when we click on this, now it stops. Now we want it to be repeating over and over again. So when we click on the green flag, you see the red light comes or the green light comes, the yellow light again, the red, yellow and green. Now, but we don't want to be clicking the light, the green flag every time. So anytime we click the green flag, that means we want it to be going once we click the green flag, it keep on repeating itself. So we are going to add what they call a loop. Now a loop, it does what? It goes forever. So how do we do that? We'll come to the red flag, the red light. So it starts from the red, yellow and green. So on the red light, what we want is we'll click on receive a message, but we want it to receive this message of the green light so that it can start again. So we say when you receive the green light, what should you do? You should send a message of the what? Of this light, a signal. So we'll click on this one, select it. So what happens when we click on this? We'll click the green flag, you watch yellow, green, you see it keeps repeating over and over. So we just animated traffic light. Then if you want it to last longer, like the real traffic light, you just need to change, click on stop, change this to, let's say, 5 seconds, go to the yellow light, change it to 5 seconds, the green light, change it to 5 seconds. So let's take a look at it. If you click on it, the green flag, you see, it's now faster. So are you seeing? So this is actually how you work on your light. Then we can actually make it more longer by coming to our red light and click here. We want it to be 10 seconds. Then the green light, click here, you want it to be 10 seconds, the green 10 seconds. So when we are done, we click on our full screen, then show. You see it stays longer, and stays longer. So if you want it to stay long, you just keep on adding more zeros and it stays more longer like the car. So what we just did was we just animated our traffic light and now it now works perfectly well. You can now try adding, for those that want to actually do some more cool stuff, you can try adding a car that moves in front of someone that is walking, and when it gets to the light it stops, and when the light is off it starts moving. You can actually add that. We just make a walking street light with ScratchJr. Imagine if every city has this your light that you program. Thanks for watching and see you in the next project.